Okay, this is
us playing White Noise. It's just like Slender, except kind of scary.
We already played it once, but we got scared, so
we totally didn't want to continue, but we are still continuing, and this is gonna be scary, guys. So I don't really even know if it's gonna be casual.
Oh, we should tape the other one where I turned around and he was right there behind me.
I know, we should have taped that.
I'm scared the fuck out of right now.
Remember Smiley? Smiley so isn't safe.
Yeah,
I should have got those.
Well, if you unlock the Smiley thing, don't turn it on, whatever the hell you do. Because that just attracts him. I turned around once.
Calvin, we should like name him. We should name him White Noise. So don't turn on Smiley, or else White Noise will come and find you.
Well, I called it she because it's a person.
Stupid woman.
Yeah.
Naked. Some stupid naked woman. Wearing bikinis. Bikini Mawini.
We might just get a jump scare later on in this game.
Yeah.
Freaking Smiley.
Oh, did you get the secret jump scare mod on this?
No.
Every time you look at him, it goes.
Those are the jump scares.
I'm not even gonna tell you about the jump scare.
Still got it there? Yeah. I'm gonna play it like this.
I wouldn't play it. Dude, don't turn around whatever you do. Dude, I'm scared now. This is where you died.
No, I died somewhere on the track.
Yeah, like,
running.
no, I mean, this is where you died, like, you had one tape recorder when you died.
No, I had, like, 2 tape recorders.
That was last time. Then you quit.
Yeah, I got scared and I was just, fuck this shit, I quit. Yeah, I'm gonna get scared again. Scared out of my ass. A tape recorder off the hop. Yeah!
Off the hippity hop.
Don't whatever the fuck I do. Better not turn the fuck around or I'm gonna get scared. Walk.
Don't turn the fuck around, man.
I have.
Did you see that? That was Rick.
Oh, bloody bastard! I'm being a wimp.
Dude, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it. Where is he?
The fucking bitch scared. Look at me. See, this is me being a wimp.
That's how you do it extreme, man.
Okay, okay. Holy frick!
You know, it shows that even though he's not even there.
No, he's there. You see him. Look, I'll go over there somehow, and you'll see like, see, that's how he looks. Look, not with the light, and that's how he looks. Holy shit!
I'm scared.
He just walked up right behind us. He's just right there, and I just like, oh fuck!
Don't turn the heck around, man.
Yeah, I know. I ain't gonna turn around. I'm turning sideways.
It was just weird, man. That was just scared the heck out of us.
Oh shit! You better not turn around though.
Kelvin, I thought this is when we quit. Remember? Because there's like no more filming here.
As if.
Because the batteries are running kind of low, so should we just quit here?
Yeah, I guess so. I should find.
Okay, you guys. So
where the fuck is he?
Probably on episode 2 we'll make sometime.
Wait, actually,
he'll be playing.
We'll play until the battery says you cannot continue anymore.
Yeah, I guess so. Cause we don't wanna.
Holy shit!
Friends.
Okay.
I got that in phone.
Okay, continue to walk around, run like a little bit pussy.
Yeah. Dude, I dare you to turn around.
Be a man. Holy shit! Holy shit! Please help me, ghost! Please help me, madam! Okay, that scared me. Oh, this
my
is
God.
our 4th tape. This is gonna be fucking.
Okay, you're dead.
Oh
man.
shit! I'm dead. I know. Just whatever the hell I do, better not look back. Don't look back,
man.
Oh no, I don't want to get this.
You don't look back, man. Hey, look. There's Steve. Go and see Steve.
Bye, Steve. I'll see you in heaven next year. If I die, next episode. If I die.
If you die, probably.
Probably in a few hours, cause I know Steve. I know he's right behind me.
Yeah. He's stalking you all night long. He might have been just right there. Well, if he was right there, man. Dude, don't turn around, heck. Don't turn the heck around or else I'll just punch you in the face. Any puberty call?
Holy shit!
That was puberty right there. Steve!
5th one.
3 more to go. 6, 7, 8. You're dead, man. Steve! No, where's Steve going?
Run! Man, this guy runs so slow. How's the battery?
Up to there still.
Okay, perfect. We got a few more hours of playtime.
Should we just play you should just play until like 10 minutes.
Wait.
Cause 4 more minutes then.
Holy shit!
My God.
Holy shit!
Steve, help us, man. Steve won't help us.
Holy shit, continue to run.
Sparkle candy.
Delicious red sweets, I'm eating them. They're shrooms.
Want to say anything before you die to anyone?
Yeah, I love my family, my kids, my wife, my fans. And
your supply of cuddly bunnies. And and your supply of rapists and chocolate. Rapist chocolate eaters.
Yeah, those guys too. Bitch been up behind me. Holy shit! It's like a jump scare whenever I see him.
I was just closing my eyes all that time. I was like, dang, I opened my eyes. And I saw it.
Okay, that bastard's getting close.
Dude.
We'll see you next episode. Or probably soon. Well, I gotta let him kill me now. We'll see you next episode.
Dude, we still have... we still have 3 more minutes. Actually, 2. We still have 2 more minutes.
Holy shit! 2 more minutes, okay.
Holy shit. Still got 2 more minutes, man.
If in 2 minutes, we'll see you later. After in 2 minutes, I'll be dead by now. If I don't find a page.
Don't you mean a tape recorder?
Oh shit! Shit! Okay. How many more minutes? 1 more.
No?
Oh yeah,
9, 10. Remember? 2 more minutes. See?
Okay, my flashlight's getting... Okay, I'm turning it off. Run! Run like a motherfucker!
Run like a motherfucker. Dude, the grave... That was scary.
That was scary. That was...
The graveyard, man.
Oh yeah, the graveyard. I gotta find the graveyard. I still have 5, I think. So yeah, if you don't know, I'm playing Xbox.
Yeah, because computer is gay.
Yeah.
We have 1 more minute.
Okay then. As soon as we hit 10, we're gonna peace off.
Yeah, but probably next episode we're either gonna play White Noise or Black Ops Zombies.
Yeah, one of the two. Well, I'll be playing.
You guys decide, okay? Because you guys are the best. Next time. But right now we're just gonna.
Okay, I'm not scared anymore. But if the bastard spawns behind me, I'm gonna. Holy shit! I go scared the freak out.
Kelvin, what's your YouTube name? My YouTube name is Michael.
Mine's gonna be
calvinaka50cal.
No, the killers.
The killer slay.
No, the white noise fan.
The White Noise fan. Okay.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Okay, dude.
What?
This is it. 58:59. Alright, you guys.
Oh shit!
We're signing off, so next time vote. This is me again, Michael.
And now this is Mike. Okay, we'll do it later, but okay, this is when you die.
Oh, as you can see, he just has no face.
Yeah, so see you next time, everybody.
Next time, either Black Ops or White Noise. See
You choose, and this game's scary as shit, so you better download it.